Hi, today I'm reviewing the Septree Food Dehydrator. Today we're going to be making Brussels sprouts and we're going to be making beef top round, and we will be dehydrating it and it will be beef jerky. Let's get started.
After cleaning and slicing the Brussels sprouts, we mixed in some olive oil and seasonings. Before use, always remove the trays and preheat for 5 to 10 minutes. It is best to spread them out. Just listen to how quiet this is. Set the temperature and time and just keep a watch on it. I did make a couple adjustments throughout the process. If not being eaten right away, make sure to store in airtight containers. This will keep your food fresh. Time for beef jerky. Make sure it's sliced in about 1/4 inch thickness or less. Marinate for desired taste. We let our beef soak overnight. I spread the beef out over 2 trays while the food dehydrator was preheating for 5 to 10 minutes. Super excited to be making beef jerky. It's about a 6-hour wait time and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. All done. This beef jerky just looks and smells so delicious. For easy storage, I did cut the beef jerky and then store it in this convenient airtight containers that came with the Septree Food Dehydrator. Here's the food dehydrator straight out of the box. There are handles on the side for easier mobility, and on the underside there are anti-slip feet. This will prevent it from sliding around. Here's the inside of the Septree Food Dehydrator. Look at that fan. This is the drip tray that fits at the bottom. Here are all the goodies I found inside. The 8 drying racks. These thin silicone liners are good for making fruit roll-ups. 2 airtight plastic food containers and 2 blue silicone grippers for grabbing hot trays. There's an instruction booklet and a cookbook with lots of recipes. I love my Septree 8.8 square feet food dehydrator with 8 racks. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.